Hey everyone, Jared here with JDS Industries, here to give you a quick tutorial on sublimating t-shirts. Now, the first thing what we're going to go over is all of the material that you'll need in order to sublimate a t-shirt. The first thing what you would need is a repositional spray. Now, the repositional spray will help keep the transfer attached to the shirt when it's being pressed, so it doesn't move when it's in the heat press. The next thing what you would need is a lint roller to remove excess lint or dirt or debris from that t-shirt. The next thing that you would need is a transfer sheet with your image on it. And then last but not least is your foam kit. Now I'm going to show you how to cut that foam kit right now. First thing what you want to do is cut out a piece of foam from the foam kit. Now that foam kit comes in a 13.5 square foot roll, which I have already cut out a piece of it already. Now you want to cut it out to be smaller than your transfer but larger than your artwork. So as you can tell, I do not have any artwork showing, but it is smaller than my transfer. And once you do that, you have it all cut out, you want to bevel the edges of that foam. When we're cutting this, it's going to help make the edges of that transfer not have a personal contact with the shirt. It's going to cause it to fold over but not push on that end. It's going to push more on this rounded edge that I am cutting out. Just like that, our foam kit is ready. So the next thing what we want to do is take our lint roller and roll our t-shirt. Now when we're rolling onto the t-shirt, we want to make sure that we get the whole surface area that is going to be in the heat press. So we remove excess lint that could show up when it's being heat pressed. So making sure we get that entire shirt. Then next what we want to do is take our repositional spray and our transfer sheet, and we're going to spray it. I recommend at least about halfway up your arm where your elbow is and misting it over the transfer. This is going to help it so it does not overspray onto the artwork and you get that to show up onto the shirt. So I'm going to put it about there. Just a couple mists on top of it, and that should make it tacky. Now, when we're layering the heat press, we want to take our foam kit. You can either put this inside the shirt or underneath it. If you're doing it on the inside, I'd recommend putting some butcher paper or copy paper over it, just in case if it bleeds through the shirt, it doesn't get on the foam kit. So how I'm going to do it is actually just put it onto the heat platen, and then I'm going to put the t-shirt over it and move it to the appropriate place for that shirt. Okay, once we have that flattened out, we can apply our transfer to the t-shirt, making sure your artwork is still on that top beveled area and it's not hanging off. And then next thing what we want to do is use either butcher paper or copy paper on top of that, or Teflon sheet to protect your top heat platen. And for the settings, what we will be doing is a very light pressure. That's one of the key things with doing t-shirts. You don't want too much or it's going to get the bevel of that paper or the foam kit on there. As well as 385 degrees for 45 seconds. Here is our final product. As you can tell, there's no lines, and sublimation came out very vivid and vibrant. We offer many brands and different styles of t-shirts, and all of the settings will be the same for them as well. If you'd like more information, visit us online or give us a call below. Thanks for watching.